Hello and welcome to my channel, Alex and Networking. I am your host, Alexander Pavlok, and I am super excited to have you here. With my channel, I'll be posting educational content around networking designs, concepts, and solutions, along with step-by-step configuration guides. A little bit of background on myself. I have about 9 years experience in the network engineering field. I've had pre and post sales roles at Cisco, Meraki, and Fortinet, and currently I am a solutions engineer at Cisco. With that, I'll be posting a lot of content around Cisco solutions, but ultimately I hope to keep it as vendor neutral as possible, along with general networking concepts. Ultimately, I hope to build a community of engineers where we can all share our experience in the field and our knowledge around networking solutions and concepts to ultimately enable all network engineers to be as successful as possible in their roles. Welcome to my channel and happy networking.